Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste to all. This is a very famous shloka from Upanishad. You would have heard this shloka somewhere in the social media. I have seen so many videos, so many articles in Google or Facebook on this shloka, but none of the shloka or explanation or the video have given the true Vedic sense of this shloka. People have interpreted this shloka in the present Vedantic philosophy, which is totally anti-Vedic, or people have interpreted this shloka to find out some mathematical formula, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 is there in this shloka, etc., which is also not the right sense of this shloka. Rishis are Proksh Priyahi Devaha. Rishi and Almighty God, they do not speak directly, they always give hints. They do not want to convey something very directly, because when we get hints from someone, we can expound it to more knowledge with the basic knowledge. So here Rishi says, first we understand the shloka, Adaha Purnam. Purnam Adaha means, Adaha means from that Almighty God, from that Parabrahma, Purnam, who is complete in all aspects. He is Paripurna Parameshwar. Idam Purnam. Idam means in Yajurveda 40/1, the mantra says Isha Vasyam Idam Sarvam. Idam means this entire cosmos. Idam Purnam means this entire cosmos is complete in all aspects, because Purnat Purnam Udachyate. Because Purnat means from that Almighty God, from that Paripurna Parabrahma, Purnam, this entire cosmos, Udachyate, is created. Because Almighty God is complete in all aspects, He is Paripurna Parabrahma, this universe is also Paripurna. This universe does not have any incompleteness in itself. It is complete in all aspects, complete in all sense. It's beautifully created by that Almighty God. Purnasya Purnam Adaya. Adaya means removing, subtracting. When Purna is removed or subtracted from Purna, Purnameva Vashishyate. The remaining is also Purnam, is what Rishi is writing. Listen carefully. When Purnam is subtracted from Purnam, the remaining is also Purnam, is what Rishi is writing. So people have told 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Infinity minus infinity is equal to infinity. See how beautifully Rishi has written. This is what people are telling. Whereas the real sense of the shloka is something else. My Acharya ji beautifully explains this concept. See, when, just for us to understand, if we have, let's say, Mukesh Ambani has got 10,000 crore, he donates 100 rupees to somebody else. Then the remaining is not 10,000 crore. The remaining is 10,000 crore minus 100 rupees. I have 100 cows with me. I give one cow as daan to somebody else. The remaining is not 100, the remaining is 99. So when we subtract anything from anything, the remaining cannot be the same thing, right? So here the Rishi is giving a beautiful knowledge to convey us the power of Vedas. That's what we have to understand, because Rishi means mantra drishta iti Rishi. Rishi means the person, that yogi, that Rishi has realized Almighty God and Vedas in Samadhi. So the Rishi is saying Purnasya Purnamadaya. My Acharya teaches like this. A teacher is teaching a formula to a student. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. The moment teacher teaches to the student, in some time the student also understands the formula, and he also gets the formula fully. But that does not mean the formula has disappeared from the teacher. The formula is remaining in the teacher's mind also. It is reaching to the student mind also. Both the places it is fully available. There is only one thing in this universe. When it is removed also, it remains as it is the knowledge of Vedas. Almighty God, when He creates this Paripurna, complete universe, the universe creation itself becomes complete only with the donation of the knowledge of Vedas to the Rishis. The knowledge of Vedas emanates from Almighty God, which is Paripurna in itself. And then it reaches the Rishi's heart in the Samadhi, or the Rishi is a soul. The soul gets the knowledge of the Vedas in Samadhi. The knowledge of Vedas is coming out of Almighty God does not mean that it is completely gone from God. It still remains with Almighty God. The same knowledge still reaches the Rishi in complete sense. The Rishi also understands the complete knowledge of Vedas, because the knowledge of Vedas itself is Paripurna in itself. This is the inner sense of this shloka. That is why I always says the Vedas are always complete in all aspects. There is not even a single book or a single verse written by anybody, any human being in this world, which is not, that knowledge is not available in Vedas. There is nothing possible like that, because knowledge itself means Vedas only. Knowledge is complete in the Vedas. That's why I always say that God does not send books from time to time. Somebody say that this book is come 1500 years back, this is Almighty God's knowledge. Somebody say that 2000 years back this book has come, this is also knowledge of God. No, Vedas contain the complete knowledge in itself. God does not need to send books from time to time. And God does not send also. God does not send messengers also. So these kind of secrets we can understand only when we listen Vedas from an Acharya of Vedas. Because this shloka is telling the beauty of Almighty God, the power of Almighty God, the power of Vedas, which is complete in all sense, that is reaching to the Rishis, which is also complete in all sense. So the Rishi is also Paripurna Rishi. That's why he is called as Rishi, Yogi, etc. Tapasvi. He has realized the knowledge of Vedas inside his heart in Samadhi. And the Rishi is praying Om Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi 3 times. There are 3 types of pains or miseries in this world. Adhyatmik, Adibhautik, Adidaivik. Adhyatmik Dukh means those miseries or pains which are created due to mental tensions, mental worries, psychological issues, psycho issues, etc. etc. So Rishi is praying to God to remove us from these mental tensions, Adhyatmik Dukh. Adi Bhautik Dukh means those pains, those miseries caused due to snake bite, animal bite, or people get fever, dengue, malaria, and other beatings. 2 people start fighting and a group of people start fighting. Everybody is injured, everybody is unhappy. This is Adi Bhautik Dukh. So Rishi is praying to Almighty God to remove us from the Adi Bhautik Dukh. And Adi Daivik, Daivik means Devata. Devata means Jada Devata. We suffer from extreme heat, extreme cold, extreme water scarcity, or extreme cyclone, earthquake. Jada Devata causes so many issues to us because we do not follow the Vedic path. So Rishi is praying to Almighty God to give us peace from the Adi Daivik Dukh also. So this is the inner secret in this shloka. So we have to always understand shloka only from an Acharya of Vedas. Otherwise we will never get the full sense of that shloka. I hope you understood. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.